Creating a model has never been easier in HTML. Using the dialog element, you can easily do this with just a few lines of HTML as well as JavaScript. To accomplish this, we just simply need to target the button or trigger button in this case, which I have here with an ID of model button, and then add a click event to it, or attach an event listener, in this case a click event, and then we simply target the modal element itself and simply call the showModal method on the modal element. If I save this and return to the browser, we have a very simple HTML here, just simply the H1 which says dialog element with a bit of description, and then this button right here, which we targeted from our JavaScript. And once I click on it, it displays the model very, very easily. And one interesting thing about using the dialog element to create a model is the fact that if I click on the escape key, it just dismisses the model, which is really cool. To add a custom close button is even easier for a dialog. What you simply need to do is create a form element, regular form which we normally would create, and then add the method attributes but set its value to dialog, and then simply place a button inside that triggers the form to submit. So if I save this, return to the browser, we still have the functionality of showing the model, but once I click on the close button, the model disappears.